We're back, guys, and this time with a brand new trending niche. As you can see, there are many channels that gained over 50 subscribers just in their first month. How? They followed a specific strategy focused on quantity over quality. For example, they post 3 videos per day, and they're getting great results. If you are finding it hard to keep up with creating content for all your social media platforms, growing and diversifying can be a challenge, especially when time is limited. But what if you could make it easier? By repurposing your long-form content, you only need to record once and then share it across multiple platforms to boost your growth. That's why you should try NexusClips. This tool is a favorite among creators of long-form videos and live streams. Thanks to this platform, you can easily create multiple short videos from a single long-form video. For example, let me show you how it works. I have a long video here that I want to turn into short clips. First, click on this option and select your video. The tool uses AI to suggest moments, providing a simple rating for each one. As you can see, this moment in the video has an 85 rating. You can either choose the suggested moments or create your own clip by clicking the Create Clip button on the right. Before you start, make sure to connect your YouTube or Twitch account. Once that's set up, select the part of the video you want, then click Edit Clip. Wait a few seconds, and boom. Now you can customize how your video looks. For example, I'll add my AI avatar at the top and place the screen at the bottom. You can also add stickers, hooks, and subtitles with various templates. After finalizing your edits, download the video by clicking the Share button. This tool works for any niche, so give it a try. NexusClip link in the description. Let's dive into the analytics of one of these channels using the NexusClips tool. First up, this channel. Just look at the stats. She gained over 186,000 subscribers with just 146 videos. Now let's check how much she's earning. In the last 28 days alone, this channel made $28,258. That's a huge number for a single YouTube channel. Now let's look at a second example. This channel has only 51,000 subscribers, but the earnings are triple that of the first one. As you can see, this channel makes around $80,000 per month. That's insane. So why not take action and start your own channel? The RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, for these kinds of channels is between $5 and $8, which is very profitable. And guess what? I'm the first one on YouTube to talk about this niche. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the same kind of videos, but with a simple method. All you need to do is take some inspiration from these successful channels and start uploading your own content. So make sure to watch this tutorial from beginning to end. We'll go step by step. First, we'll write the script and generate the audio. Then, we'll search for information, images, and videos. And finally, we'll edit everything together. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop your best comment to support us and keep this journey going strong. Let's get started. First of all, guys, if we take a look at the channels I mentioned in the intro, you will see that they talk about political topics. For example, the relationship between the USA and Canada or the USA and China, and so on. For example, let's look at the most popular videos on one of these channels so we can create a video like it. So here, as you can see, we choose a video and watch it. As you can see, the creator uses very simple editing, just adding stock images and videos and writing a script about the political topic. Now let's go ahead and create a video like this ourselves. To choose an idea like the ones from that channel, we start by copying one of the video titles from the channel. For example, I'll copy this one. Then I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to write us a script for a long video, around 8 minutes for example. I also mentioned that it can search on the web to give us the best possible script with the most recent and relevant information. As you can see, ChatGPT writes the script we need. After that, we move on to 11 Labs AI to convert the script into audio. First, we choose the voice we want to use. Then, we go back to ChatGPT, copy the full script, and paste it into 11 Labs. As you can see, we then click Generate and wait for the audio to be created. Once it's done, we download it, just like that. Now after that, we return to ChatGPT and ask it to help us search for images that we can use in our video without any copyright issues. After it gives us the links, we check them, and if we find any image or video that we can use, we save it to use later in the editing part. Now let's go to Pexels or Pixabay and search for videos of the USA, Donald Trump, and general footage like US cities, buildings, streets, etc. We'll do the same thing for the other country involved, as you can see. Don't worry. These sites offer stock videos and images for free, and you can use them in your videos without any legal issues. Also, you can add images from other websites, but make sure that they are safe to use and won't cause any copyright problems. Now, after all that, we go to Pixabay, just in case you want to use background music in your video. You can search for music that fits your video style, and when you find one that sounds perfect to you, just choose it and download it. Next, we go to CapCut. We open the app, and then we start adding all the materials we downloaded earlier, like the voiceover audio, the script text if needed, images, videos, and everything else we've prepared. The first step we do is add the voiceover audio and the text script. As you can see, we start by placing the voice in the timeline. Then we begin adding videos and images that match the content of the voiceover script. We add the images and videos one by one, making sure they follow the script flow. We can also cut the videos, adjust their speed, and time everything perfectly to make the final video smooth and professional. Now after setting all of this, we go back through each video clip and check the aspect ratio. If any video needs it, we zoom in slightly to make it fit properly or look better on screen. Yeah, after that, we go to the effect section and search for the vignette effect. We add it, as you see, and make sure to adjust the opacity, keeping it under 50% so it doesn't overpower the visuals. Now it's time to add transitions between the images and video clips. Use whatever transition feels suitable, but avoid overdoing it. Don't exaggerate or distract the viewer when they're watching on YouTube. Also, for every transition you add between clips, you can add a small sound effect like a whoosh or a camera shutter sound. Just make sure to lower the volume of these effects a bit so they don't overpower the voiceover. After that, we go to the text option, then choose Auto Caption. We make sure the language is set to English, then we click Create and wait for the subtitles to be generated for us. Once the captions are ready, we select all of them, as you can see. Then we go to the animation section, choose Caption, and select one of the available animation styles to apply, just like you see in the example. After that, we can also change the font and color of the captions if we want. Additionally, we can add a simple black glow effect to the text so it appears clearly and stands out better to the viewer, just like you see in the final result. Now it's time to add the background music to the video, as you see. After adding the music, make sure to reduce the volume a little so it doesn't overpower or exaggerate the narrator's voice. For the thumbnail, we just go to ChatGPT and ask it to give us some text ideas for the thumbnail. Once we choose the one we like, we go to Google and search for an image of Donald Trump and the President of China. After that, we download the image and make sure to check for any copyright issues to avoid any problems. Then, we go to Canva and open the thumbnail section, just like you see in the example. We then add the image, and after that, we add the text we chose earlier. If we want, we can also add some stickers or graphic elements to make the thumbnail more engaging. This gives us the final result. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you write a title or a description for your video to make it more optimized. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. We hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to take action as soon as possible. We'll meet again in another video. Bye-bye.